Namaste and welcome to the Lord Krishna School, Harsoli, Alwar, Rajasthan. I am Diksha Pradhan. I am inviting to my committee member, inspection committee member to our school. Names are here: Srimati P. Nirupma Shankar, Principal of BVB S. Bhagwan Das Purohit Vidya Mandir, Vathoda, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Shri S.P. Barthwal, Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Respected R.J. Sujata, Principal of BVNKM, English Medium School, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. We are here for recording of the video to be given for the prior inspection of CBSE upgradation from secondary to higher secondary, and I am standing at the entrance of the school. Before, I like to give you a view of front boundary wall. It is started here till here. This side. I request to my security person to open the door for me, and so I can take you further virtual inspection. It is our, to my left side, our security guard is quite humble and polite, extremely good with the children. In the school due to current circumstances of COVID-19. Here is the generator to provide full electricity to give a student featured education. Here is the generator. Entering to the school, and you see I have a school view. As you can see, the compound wall, right, starting from here, the whole campus is protected by high compound wall. Now we are going to move towards the playground. As CBSE says, Fit India, we should develop our children to have healthy body and mind. We have a large playground in our school. In our school, we are focusing both indoor and outdoor games. We have lot of traditional game also. Now we are facing toward basketball ground. When the children used to play here, this ground had lots of energy all around. Okay. On my right side, here is a garden. As you see from the side of the school, there are many windows for the good ventilation. Many windows for good ventilation. Yes, on the right side of the park, there is our parking area. There is stand so many cars and bikes, etc. Interesting slides all around the little children. All little children of our school playing here with joy. So many slides and interesting slides. Since I have talking about a school infrastructure which is quite comfortable and convenient for all students and children, use. नाउ सी, आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे स्कूल में कितने अच्छे तरीके से वेंटिलेशंस हैं, बहुत सारी विंडोज़ हैं जिसके जरिए बच्चों तक अच्छे से वेंटिलेशन और सनलाइट पहुंच सकती है। office. This is very beautiful and white. You look like so now I am walking forward the reception area. This is our reception area with a beautiful area for a school. Here you can meet our counselor and the receptionist of the school who provides all important information related to parents, related to students. Very polite. These are very polite and humble. Here you see the total student list of our school. Each and every class we encourage our students for future. We set up this list for increasing them in future. Now I am walking towards principal office. Here students and parents consult with the principal sir. He is very humble and cooperative to all. He is very friendly and helpful to all teachers. Now I am walking towards the director's office. We going through the corridor. As you see, this is very big and wide corridor. Now we turn up to director's office. This is the office of director sir. Now we enter to the office. He is very cooperative towards the school, member inspired to work hard for the brighter future of the student. This is a very big office. Now we are going towards the examination office. You look like very broad corridor area. Creative activities by students and sitting place of students and parents. Now we are going towards examination area. This is our music room. This is our first classroom. The sitting arrangement is very proper. Here we set up a LED for enjoyment of the student. Examination office. Here we keep all the information regarding examination, every class, every student. Please come in the examination office. Physics lab. We go through here to corridor. This is very ventilated and sunlighted corridor. You see here many motivational quotes are here for motivate our students. These quotes are given by great personalities of our country. Please come. These are some more classrooms. This is our another garden area where students are playing. You look like it is very lush green area. Now we move our next playground. This is our badminton court. Here is a wide playground. This is our stage area where many cultural activities are play here. This is our boundary wall. This is our boys' toilet. Towards other boys' toilet. Our boys' toilet. Towards our girls' toilet. This is the back view of our school. Now we move towards our water tap, which is fully RO water and with water cooler supply. This is also our another tap of water. This is our girls' toilet. This is our staff room. Now we move towards our physics lab. अब हम अपने फिजिक्स लैब की तरफ ले चलते हैं आपको. Many equipments using in physics lab are represented here. This is our stock register. Many equipments are keeping here. This is also our wardrobe. Now we move towards our computer lab. This is our computer lab. Here many computers are set up. You see here modern technology. Fire extinguishing for children's safety. Our projector room. This is our smart class with projector. This is our projector. It is a our sports room through the corridor. Here you can see our sports room. Here you see many equipments to play many other different kinds of sports. Here boxing gloves and many other things for sports playing. Here you see many things are keeping here to promote and motivate the student towards sports, because sports are very necessary for our children. This is some indoor games. Now, these are our ranking stages. This is our sickness room. Here you see a bed is placed here and sitting positions are very proper. Here are first aid box. Here is a first aid box for some emergency situation. Now we towards our one other classroom, fourth class. You see here very proper ventilation and sunlight system, and sitting arrangements are very proper. You see here a broad board for students. Now we go one other classroom of our school. This is a lecture stand for teachers and very proper sitting arrangement for students. And a big blackboard. And many windows in this room for ventilation and sunlight. Now we are go to our library towards these stairs. This is our library. This is almiras with books, bookshelves. Here are many books, many types of books. Here is very good sitting arrangement for students. You see here. It is also a fire extinguisher for security and safety of the student. This is our secondary classroom. You see here a lecture stand for teacher and a big board for students, and well sitting arrangement you see here. Now we move towards our first floor girls' toilet. It is our first floor. Water system, water taps here. You see here, RO purified water with the water cooler system, and on the first floor you can see here girls toilet and also a boys toilet. These both portions are separated with each other. Toilet on the first floor. You can see here urinal system for boys. This is our middle classroom. Here you see midmost for ventilation and sunlight, and here also you see a board, big board, and proper sitting arrangement for the students. And you can also see a dustbin. Now we are going towards our biology lab. This is our biology lab. Here you can see many equipments for practice and practical of the student. You see here a board, and it is a human skeleton. You can also see human circulatory system. This is a microscope. You can also see human reproductive system male. You also see human skin and many other charts here. You can see many more microscopes here. Many equipments are here. This is our sports. This is a well-settled lab of biology. It is also a fire extinguisher here for security and safety of the student. Here is a water facility also for students. You can see many charts here. Now we can move towards our chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Firstly, we also introduce our fire extinguisher for security of the students. Because it is a chemistry lab, many chemicals are here. You can see many things for practical of the student. Many chemicals are keeping here in the shelf with label. Here also a very good water supply. machine, electronic balancing machine. One other, fire extinguisher due to safety of the student.
Thank you.